Woodpeckers is bringing back the OneTIME Tool program, and the first offer from the Collector's Vault blends Woodpeckers' impeccable machining with Blue Spruce Toolworks chisel blades. Over the next 4 years, Woodpeckers will release bench, mortise, paring, dovetail, and butt chisels through the OneTIME Tool Collector's Vault. Each release will be available to order for 4 weeks, after which ordering will be closed. A new group will be offered approximately every 6 months. These chisels blend the Blue Spruce Toolworks chisel blades with a handle engineered and built by Woodpeckers. We machine the octagonal handles from aircraft-grade aluminum and finish them in our signature Woodpeckers red. The stainless steel ferrule unthreads to reveal a set screw locking the blade to the handle. This allows you to quickly remove the handle for easier sharpening. Since 2005, our sister company, Blue Spruce Toolworks, has been refining the chisel blade manufacturing process. It starts with A2 tool steel, double-tempered and cryogenically treated. In 2019, Blue Spruce invested in state-of-the-art grinding and polishing equipment. Unlike any other chisel made anywhere in the world, the backs of our chisels are perfectly flat and polished to a mirror finish. The bevel of the chisel has been carefully sharpened and finished with a micro-bevel. It is surgically sharp and ready to use right out of the box. When you marry the Blue Spruce chisel blade to the Woodpecker's handle, you have a tool that looks and feels like nothing else on the market. The octagonal shape registers consistently in your palm and won't roll off your bench. There's a buffer between the stainless steel butt cap and the handle that eliminates vibration while transferring all the power of your mallet to the cutting edge. The OneTIME Tool Collector's Vault Chisel Series begins where all woodworkers should start their chisel collection, a 4-piece set of bench chisels. The set includes quarter, half, 3/4, and 1-inch bench chisels, and a wall-mountable racket to keep them right in plain sight, carefully protected and always ready for work. This is the beginning of an opportunity to build a set of woodworking chisels unlike any other made anywhere in the world. Order before June 23, 2025 to get in on the ground floor of this unique program. The full release schedule can be found on the Chisel webpage at woodpeck.com. There's a link in the video description. Don't miss this chance to own these American-made masterpieces. Order your Collector's Vault bench chisels today.